What's up, guys? It is your boy Jerome back at it with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing a bunch of stuff. This video was just going to be me unboxing the Oculus Quest 2, but I got a ton of other packages in. Oops. So before we get to the Oculus Quest, let's go ahead and unbox all these. Make sure it's nothing important. This one is a light stand. How do you even... Oh, there it is. Next. This is a softbox, and it looks pretty complicated to set up. And this is a nice overhead tripod. I forgot about this other box because it fell over here. It's a light. I think it's a light. It should be a light. Wow, that thing is huge. Yeah, I guess it'll work. Well, now that you've sat through all of that, it is finally time to open up the Oculus Quest 2. So technically the Oculus Quest 2 came out like 2 years ago at this point, but I just now bought one because I said, hey, why not? I keep talking about the metaverse here on this YouTube channel. VR is supposed to be like the next big thing, but I've still gone all these years without ever having a proper VR headset. So I was like, might as well get one and see what all the hype is actually about. Let's get right into the unboxing. Also, I can't lie to you guys. I may have jumped the gun a little bit and gone ahead and unboxed this thing. Just because I couldn't wait, okay? I couldn't wait. But here it is. Nice, clean packaging. Open it. Ooh. You got your nice Oculus controllers with the logo even on there. I will say, from already having used this a couple times, the controllers feel natural in your hand after about 15 or 20 minutes. When you first put them in your hand, it is like nothing you've ever held before. And truthfully, I didn't know what I was doing. So you've got two controllers, one for the right side, one for the left side. Then you've got the instructions. When you first put these on, because everyone's head is built differently, your eyes are spaced different lengths apart, it is a little blurry. So you'll have to adjust it just right to get it to look good for your eyes. And so there's a little bit of instructions about that. We've got, of course, our charging cables, USB-C. Then, of course, you've got some eyeglass spacers. And these are just for those of you that wear glasses. If you put this headset on without these little spacers, it might be a little uncomfortable. Your glasses are going to be smushed up against your face. So they include this nice little spacer, and it'll basically just get the headset off of your face just a little bit, just enough for your glasses to fit. So thanks Oculus, thanks Facebook for doing that. Then you've got a silicone cover for this thing, so you know you can keep it nice and safe when you're not using it. And finally, the star of the show, the Oculus Quest 2 itself. I can't see you guys. Now, the biggest decision for me when purchasing this was, should I get the Oculus or should I get the PlayStation VR? Because I do also have a PlayStation 5. If you haven't seen the unboxing video of that one, make sure to check it out on this channel. I ended up deciding to go with the Oculus because this is a fully wireless device. You don't have to be connected to any sort of cable, don't have to be connected at all. You can take it anywhere that you have Wi-Fi and you can play it anywhere. But do you guys want to watch me play some games? Let's jump right into the metaverse. So the first thing that's going to happen when you enter here is it's going to ask you to set up an account and all that kind of stuff, download your games. I've already done that, so we can go ahead and just start playing. I'm going to play maybe 3 different games just so you guys get an idea of what is available. Starting off with Beat Saber. This is probably one of the most popular games on the Oculus right now. Essentially, there's some blocks coming at you. I don't know why I'm explaining this. You'll see. You'll see. I'm just so in the zone right now. I'm focused. Oh, wait, what? Oh, I didn't realize that was that long of a cube. Okay. Well, we'll try one more time. We'll try one more time and then we'll switch it up. I wonder who writes the songs for this game. Like, I wonder if it's just random people that like submit their music, or if the people over at Beat Saber are like making their own music. That'd be interesting. Also, this song is hype. Ooh, pretty perfect if I do say so myself. Rank A, 202 good cuts out of 202. That's a pretty good score, I feel like. All right, let me show you guys another game. So we're gonna go back to the main menu here. Another super popular game is this game called Super Hot VR. Now, this game is all about not moving. So the entire purpose of the game is you've got enemies coming at you, and whenever you move, they move. But if you stand still, then they can't move, including if they shoot bullets at you. The bullets can't move while you're moving. So I've already played like several levels of this game. This isn't what the original like intro looks like. There we go, here's one. All right, and time to go in. So into the metaverse inside the metaverse. There's that guy. Okay, it's available again. Boom. Did it. So gotta look around, see what's available. All while pretending to be Neo in the Matrix. Whoa! Okay, definitely didn't see the guy to the right. Guys, terrible news. I just found out that I finished filming the second half of this video and I lost all of the footage. But I'm just gonna do it again for you guys. There was one more game that I wanted to show you, and it is my favorite one to play in VR right now. It is called Creed Rise to Glory. It's a boxing game based off of the Creed franchise, and oh my gosh, it is so much fun. So here we go. And I gotta say, this game specifically gives you such a workout. Like, look at how well it's able to track your arms and all that. You know, you can see the muscles. Choose your fighter. Who do I want to be? Well, obviously, I want to be Adonis Hollywood Creed. And who do I want to fight? Ivan Drago, the Russian from Rocky IV. We're going to Philadelphia, Creed's hometown. There he is. And you guys can tell, like, graphics, not great, but look at, like, the arm traction. What's it called? Like, arm tracking. Like, it's so good. All right, come on, ref. Start this fight. Body shot, headshot, headshot. Okay. Get back up. Oh, God. Block. Uh-oh. He knocked me down. All right. Okay. That's okay. Round 2, let's get it. Look at his face. I've messed him up. Stay down, Ivan Drago. Oh, God. Okay. We're good. Oh, no. Okay, that's okay. He knocked me down, but I'm gonna get there. Victory! Ivan Drago. Can't beat me, bro. Oh, man. That was an insane workout. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and first impressions of the Oculus Quest 2. Honestly, I don't know if this is going to be something that lasts forever or if it's just going to turn into one of those things that I just use as a gimmick, as like a party trick. But as of right now, I'm having a lot of fun, and I think you guys should go get one. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends. As always, I'm Jerome with All Things Tech and Finance. I'm a little bit out of breath, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace!